friends, welcome back to Sisters Me. Do you know what time it is? It's science time with Sisters Me. Abracadabra. Safety first! Have you ever wondered how plants grow? Today we are going to show how water travels up a plant. We need 6 cups of water and some white flowers. Whoa! We need some color for our water, so we show how it moves. Give me some food coloring. Whoa! We have some food coloring. That's cool. This one is our control, so we won't add water to it. What color should we make these water? Let's do yellow. Wait! There are 4 food colorings and 5 cups. Maybe we can mix them together and they'll make another color. Yeah, we should do that. Okay. Let's put in yellow. I'm going to use green. 1. Oh, that was already 3. 1. There we go. 2. Let's do some red. You're just like... Let's mix all the colors for the last glass. Yeah. 1 drop of each. Not 3. That's only a little bit. It's going to turn red. Maybe a little bit more. Let's do some blue. It's turning red. Whoa, look at the blue. It's so cool. I'm going to do green. Oh, that was it. Oh, it turned black. Oh, it's turning black. Whoa, I see green. 2 flowers for a cup. Whoa. Whoa, that looks like good black on the bottom. This one is green. So pretty. Nice. Remember, we need to put 2 flowers in our control without food coloring. Make sure you mix them. Is there 3 in here? No. It looks like 3. Yeah, I know that. Oh. Okay. There's only 2 more flowers. Okay. Oh. Let's wait overnight and see what happens. So the daisy flowers took too long to change color and they died. But we got white roses instead. Water evaporates from the plant leaves and petals. This process is called transpiration. The evaporation of water creates a suction in the plant and pulls the water up through these tiny tubes inside the plant called xylem. This process is called capillary action. These change color overnight. Look how cool they are! Now let's compare all the roses. Let's see what the differences are. This is our control, a regular white rose. Now this rose turned red. All the petals are red now. Like a red rose. Isn't that? This rose turned green. Look at this one. The petals are black. And this rose turned yellow. This rose turned blue. All the petals are so pretty now. If you want to do this experiment yourself, remember to use roses. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And give it a huge thumbs up. And remember, be kind to others. And make a new friend. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.